Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a delicious grilled Moulard Duck Breast with an Orange and Endive salad. Start by carefully scoring the skin of the Moulard Duck Breast in a tight pattern, but be very careful not to cut into the meat. Now it's time to season both sides of the duck breast with salt and pepper. Then you want to set the Memphis Grill to 225 degrees, and we're using Apple Pellets. Then you want to place the duck breast fat side up in the grill, and now we're going to smoke this until the duck breast reaches an inner temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. When the duck breast hits the inner temperature of 120 degrees, you want to remove it from the grill and increase the temperature of your Memphis wood fire grill to 600 degrees. Then it's time to place the duck breast back into the grill, fat side down, and sear the fat side for a couple of minutes. The duck breast is finished when the inner temperature hits 130 degrees. Now it's time to make the salad, and you want to start by putting some endive leaves in a bowl. Then you want to add some baby arugula and some baby spinach, and then you want to add a couple of fresh leaves of Frisée. And then you want to add some roasted walnuts to the salad as well. Then you want to drizzle this with a flavorful mustard vinaigrette and toss gently. Next step is that you want to plate the salad. Then you want to add some strong Roquefort cheese to give it a little bit of bite. And finally, you want to add some orange supremes to give it some sweetness. Then you want to sprinkle with salt and set aside. Then it's time to slice the duck breast into thin slices and place on the salad as well. And then it's ready to serve. And I think the only thing left for me to do now is to try the duck breast and see what it tastes like. It just looks ridiculously good. So here we go. Come on. Richness from the cheese, the freshness from the oranges, and then a super rich fattiness from the duck. Man, this is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.